Hello, my name is Anna Blanchett. I'm a sixth grader at Dover Middle School, and this is the oil pollution solution. The problem is that oil spills into the ocean, it kills animals, it ruins the environment, and it destroys fisheries and tourism. The solution is using unprocessed, low-quality cotton that is being thrown away in the factories. And this cotton absorbs 30 times its weight in oil and repels water. The first step is absorption. So you take the cotton and you put it in the oil. And this one has been absorbing for a couple minutes now. And as you can see, there's no more oil left. Now I'm going to be putting it into the compression machine. And as you can see, here's all the oil. And you can reuse the oil and the cotton. This is cotton that's been compressed, and you can reuse it to clean up more oil. Now the second part of my invention is the prevention part. So this would be a double-hulled ship like this one. And it would have cotton in between the layers of the hull. So if there was an oil leak, then the cotton would soak up all the oil. And this would be a ring around a oil rig, so if there was an oil leak, then the cotton would soak up the oil, not only contain it, but also soak it up. And finally, there would be a blanket of cotton on the oil around on the ships, so if there was an oil spill, then the cotton would go right in because they would have it on the ships to put it right in. So, the market of my invention would be oil industries, including tankers, rigs, drillers, and oil people on the land. And the people that would be my competition would be the corporate people that don't want to spend the money on using the prevention, but they could have saved in billions of dollars if they used my invention. And these would be much bigger if they were actually in the ocean to soak up all of the oil. The BP Deepwater Horizon oil spill and the Exxon Valdez oil spills caused billions of dollars in money. So if they just had my invention to have stopped it, then they would have not had to have all that money go to waste. The research I did is they're not doing anything right now to prevent the oil spills. They're doing it after the fact. The oil is already in the ocean, already spreading about. So that's what. So even if they do have an oil boom, that's only containing a small portion of it. Exactly, for the Deepwater Horizon spill, only 3% of the oil was contained. So that's why you would need an oil cotton over it so that it would contain it, but it would also soak it up, and it would be there already to prevent it and to be there in case it happened on the ships. My name is Anna Blanchett. I'm a sixth grader in Dover Middle School, and this is the oil pollution solution.